Hey guys, and welcome back. So, Microsoft has announced its Windows 11 build 22593 in its dev version. So, let's go ahead and check the basic features that we get in this version, which is 22593. The major update Microsoft has done with the File Explorer. Now, the File Explorer will now known as the Home option or Home button. Nextly is if you pin any files, it will show right over here under the favorite, like it is shown over here. And next update is you can search your pinned apps using this search home option available right over here in this quick access, and the files that you're looking for can be found easily using this search option. Second update is about Microsoft Journal. It is now pinned by default in the pen menu as it is shown over here. It is just a note-taking application that allows users to create handwritten notes and drawing using this Microsoft Journal. If you do not have one, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store present inside the Windows. Now next one is a small update. When you simultaneously press Windows plus X key, then you will get an option of install apps, and second one is terminal and terminal admin, which was not available earlier in the previous versions of Windows 11. And Microsoft has introduced new characters. When you press the right alt plus / key, you will now input as this particular icon. First, second, third and fourth. This one is the 5. These are the 5 new shortcut keys that are provided by Microsoft, which will be applicable from this version, which is Windows 11 build 22593. Next major update Microsoft has done with the Windows security by providing a memory integration option in Windows security. Memory integration features of Windows 11 designed to prevent attacks from inserting malicious code into the system. This is how you can enable it by opening Windows Security, click on Device Security option, and here is the option of Core Isolation. Click on the option Core Isolation Detail and then turn it on. Once you turn it on, it will prevent the attackers from inserting the malicious code into your Windows PC. It will check certain requirements and then it will be turned on in your Windows 11 if it is compatible with TPM and Secure Boot. Last one is with the Start menu folders. Like the folder that I have created over here is now a little bigger, so that you can able to view the apps inside the folder without clicking like this into the folder. You can view the apps right from the folder, so the folder is increased by the Microsoft to make it easier to use. Lastly is the bug fixes that Microsoft has done. You can view, or if you want to know each and every update of the bug that are fixed in Windows 11 of this build and what are the remaining bugs, you can visit this particular page of Windows 11 Insider that I will share you in the description of this video. So that's it about it today, friends. These are the major updates that comes in Windows 11 build 22593. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more such updates and turn on the bell notification, and please continue watching my videos till the end. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.